Do you want to learn to animate like this? Or like this? Or even like this? Okay, probably not like this, but like this? Then you've come to the right place, because I'm going to teach you how to animate in the BFDI style. Hello, it's WebzForevz, and today I'm going to show you how to do the most basic object show animation, which is just the simple tweened style. So we have everything pretty simple laid out here. Eye, mouth, everything is on its own layer. If you want to know how to set up an Adobe Animate document, you can go check out my first tutorial about the basics of Adobe Animate, and then we can get started. So we have this audio here from episode 21, I believe.
Oh no, it's so sad to see Ice Cube gone.
So, I'm gonna make a keyframe there, and I'm going to move Leafy down. So I'm using my arrow keys to move the face and to move the body around more precisely than with my mouse. Okay, we're going to swap symbol now. Eye closed. So we see that Leafy stays aligned with her legs. Her body and legs stay aligned. Also, I'm holding Alt while I shift these legs, because if I do not hold Alt, this is what happens. And I tilt the body up, use my arrow keys to move it, make sure that the body and legs stay aligned. Now this eye, I love the cheek, but it doesn't really display sadness. What I want is sad. I'm going to take this eyebrow, and I'm going to put it here. I'm going to first duplicate the symbol to make a new eye. We're going to call this eye cheek right sad, and then we're going to add this. I'm going to do Control Shift V, which will add it in the exact spot it was, and then I'm going to go to Modify, Transform, Flip horizontally, and then I'm going to Modify, Transform, Flip vertically, and now we have this sad eye. Alright, so we have all these poses.
Oh no, it's so sad to see Ice Cube gone.
Now that that's all done, it's time to create the in-betweens. So these are all of our keyframes. I'm going to make a keyframe here, and we're going to start the animation. So this is what I like to do. I like to have this ease in that doesn't really go anywhere. Usually you would end every movement with some sort of ease out, but I like just the idea of it not going anywhere. We have these arms that flip, see? They do that. That is not good. So see, you'll take this arm, make keyframe, F6, move it all the way over here, and then you can do this, where it doesn't quite turn, it more skews, like that. Make a keyframe there, and now, I really like this pose, so I want this to be the ending pose. So instead of making this go backwards to show a bounce, we're going to actually go here and make this more exaggerated. F9 to make a tween, and we have our first movement.
Oh no.
It's a very exaggerated movement, and you can tell because this frame and this frame are very far apart. The arms are really far. If we wanted it to be less exaggerated, we could move the arms here, but I like having this very exaggerated movement. There.
Oh no, it's so sad to see Ice Cube gone.
Now that I'm looking at it, this movement just makes it just too messy.
It's so sad to see Ice Cube gone.
And now we can lip sync it. So what I like to do is take all of these and convert them to keyframes. Now, it's really important you're very happy with your animation before you do this step, because you can't really go back and fix it once you do this. To go a little more in depth with these lip syncing mouths, they're pretty multi-purpose. So these open mouths here can be for ah sounds, a sounds, e, eh, anything like that. Closed mouth is super multi-purpose. This can be for th sounds, l sounds, t, s, NG, so like anything like that can be for the closed mouth. This closed mouth here is more for M's, B's, and P's, so P sounds, B sounds, M sounds. The F mouth is called the F mouth because that's pretty much all it can do is be an F mouth. And the O's, these oo mouths are for oohs, O's, and so they're great for that. So we get that ah sound, ah, and then we get this O. Keyframe, O. Now, you don't actually have to listen to every individual sound, because you can actually tell by the sound file what's happening. you can tell that here is a sound, and then here's where it gets closed and we go into an O. So you can tell here through the sound file, through this larger part, that it was always going to be an sound, and then once it closed, it was going to be an O. So now we have this animation.
Oh no, it's so sad to see Ice Cube gone.
So again, walking through it all, ease in, and then another ease in, and this is an ease out. Very simple. So now that all that's done, here's the final product.
Oh no, it's so sad to see Ice Cube gone.
Now, there are plenty of other ways you can go about making object show animations, whether that be frame by frame or hand drawn, but this is the way I like to do it, and I think it looks really nice. I hope this tutorial helped. I'll be leaving the FLA file in the description so you can download it and look through it yourself. That's how I learned how to animate, so I hope it helps you as well. Thank you so much for watching a video on the WebzForevz channel. If you really enjoyed it, hit subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you really enjoyed it, then watch another video.